Hi, today I'm going to talk about motivated sellers. The key to success for real estate investment business is how you can find motivated sellers. I'm going to give you very important tips, very briefly. Those motivated sellers are in certain urgent circumstances. They want to get peace of mind by getting rid of their properties right now. Sometimes people can give, motivated sellers can give some equity in their properties. Sometimes even they can give some money to the buyer to sell right now. Let's talk about how you can find motivated sellers on MLS. Usually investors don't buy property on MLS for market price. But sometimes you can find the motivated sellers on MLS, and also you can buy a little bit discount amount for investment properties. If you look at the remark section on the MLS, listing agent says motivated sellers or must sell quickly or something like this. Even listing price is a little bit higher at the time, but there are some possibilities for you to get some discount price for investor to buy. Also, we often talk about expired list on MLS. If you can get the list of expired list, and then you can contact with the owners of those properties, they might be the motivated seller. They put their property on MLS. They try to sell this house, but 3 months, 6 months, they couldn't sell those properties. They are so motivated to sell, but most cases price was issue. Price was a little bit higher. That's why they couldn't sell. But if you have a certain creative acquisition strategies, they could get those properties in your term to buy. Sometimes you're gonna find the people who have to move to somewhere else, far away. Then they have to rent or buy new property over there, but they have a property right now here. They have to pay for 2 mortgages. 1 month, 2 months may be okay, but they cannot pay for 2 mortgages or 2 rent, or 1 rent or mortgage same time. Therefore, they want to get rid of the current. They want to get rid of the current property here. Those are motivated sellers too. If you approach those people, you can buy those properties in your term too. Let's talk about foreclosure, pre-foreclosures. To compare with several years ago, the number is getting smaller, but still there are quite a number of people facing those kind of situations. Their loan is in default. There are some reasons. They lost a job, they got sick, they couldn't work, they could get paid. Then they couldn't pay the mortgage, and then in 3 months, 4 months, they received notice of default or respondents from the court in Illinois. Then all of a sudden they realize what's going on, and they are so motivated to do something, but there is no other way to sell this property as a short sale if the mortgage value and mortgage is completely upside down. Okay? In this case, you can do short sale to buy those properties with a discount amount of the mortgage. Okay, even this is not in upside down. Okay, if you can pay the unpaid amount of the mortgage, you can buy those property from those owners. There are many ways to buy, but this is one of the groups of motivated sellers. Another type of people are people who are getting divorced. Unfortunately, they want to keep their house. If they are having those houses in their both names, they don't want to keep those houses anymore. Therefore, they want to get rid of the house as soon as possible. They are motivated sellers as well. Another group of motivated sellers are those who are tired of taking care of rental properties or cannot take care of rental properties. Some people want to enjoy their retirement without having to take care of rental properties. Some people are just tired of taking care of tenants. Some people have to get some cash out to cover medical expenses or to do something else. Some people are not able to take care of rental properties physically. For some reasons, those people are so motivated to sell those properties. Another type of motivated sellers are those who inherited those assets from the parents or other family members. For some reason, they don't want to keep those properties. Maybe they are not living in those areas. They are not interested in taking care of those rental properties. For some reason, they don't want to keep those properties. They want to sell. They want to get rid of this property to get some cash out. Those are another type of motivated sellers. As I said in the beginning, key to success in real estate investment business is how you can find those motivated sellers, and then you can access those motivated sellers to get those properties on the contract. We often say you make money when you buy. Okay? You have to find motivated sellers to buy right. Okay? I gave you very important tip today. Thank you.